Is your FreshCut app not working? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy fixes to get it running smoothly again. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is resolved. If you're on Wi-Fi, restart your router for a fresh connection. Step 2. Restart the FreshCut app. Sometimes, simply closing and reopening the app can fix minor glitches. Swipe up and close the FreshCut app completely, then reopen it. You can also force stop the app from your phone's settings for a better reset. Step 3. Check for app updates. An outdated app might cause issues. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store, search for FreshCut, and tap Update if available. Keeping your apps updated ensures better performance and bug fixes. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Too much stored cache can slow down the app. To clear it, go to your phone's settings, find Apps, select FreshCut, tap on Storage, and choose Clear Cache. If the issue persists, try Clear Data, but remember, this will log you out. Step 5. Check FreshCut server status. If the app still isn't working, the issue might be on FreshCut's end. Check websites like downdetector.com or FreshCut's official Twitter page for any outage updates. If the server is down, you'll need to wait until it's fixed. Step 6. Reinstall the app. If nothing else works, try uninstalling and reinstalling FreshCut. This can fix deeper issues by giving the app a fresh installation. Just make sure to back up any important data before uninstalling. Final solution: contact support. If you're still having trouble, the best option is to contact FreshCut's support team through their official website or the in-app help section for further assistance.